Hey everyone, this is Julia Torrance and I am an artist. This is my sketchbook here and I will show you what I have here. This is a crow drawing. I've made it with pen ink, and then I have my other drawing over here which I also made with pen ink, and this is the one of a deer and a tree branch and icicles, which I will be filling in with my Arrtxmarkers today. And this video will be the tutorial for that, so I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. So I have all the 36 colors of Arrtxmarkers, and I'm going to be coloring in my drawing. So that's what you will see. I've got my Arrtx acrylic marker set, and this video is not sponsored by Arrtx, but I just want to show you how the art process is for my video and with using these markers, Arrtxmarkers. And yes, so these are acrylic paint pens, and I've got the marker set here that I'm opening, and I'll just show you all the different colors that there are. And so here it is. This is it, and I'm just gonna open it here. And I did get these Arrtxmarkers off Amazon, and they are regular price $49.99, but they are currently 15% off, so now $42.49. And I think I also got them when they were on sale. So yeah, there's lots of different colors here, and well, yeah, you can see on the numbers, like you can match the colors and with the numbers and just stick them on the markers, so you know which colors are which. And here I'm just now filling out my drawing I did, and yeah, so I'm coloring in the icicles with my Arrtxmarkers, and I'm just really using various shades of blue. And I'm really trying to like emphasize the detail and different shadings and colors of my drawing for the icicles, and like also just like really going into detail and showing what they're like and in the cold. And yeah, like also I'm using this lighter marker, the white one, to highlight the different shadings of the icicles here. And yeah, so this is how it looks. And now I've got my Atopstarmarkers 80 piece, and I've got all the markers in here in this nice case, and it has a handle. There's many different colors and different shades. It's very nice. There's a lot to choose from. And so they're also dual tipped markers. There's a fine point and then there's a thicker point as well. For this, I'm gonna choose the thicker point for drawing for the tree branch here, and I'll just show you how that's done. And now I'm just gonna really focus on making sure the color's all even and not using the marker too much in one spot. So like making sure I'm only going over the parts that are new and needing filled in, and really evening out the color, making sure I'm staying in the line, and just making sure that I like the way it looks as well. And just so you're aware, this video is not sponsored by Atopstarmarkers, so I'm just doing this video for fun. So finishing up with that, I'm just going to fill it in a bit more, and I'm also going to use a pen. So I've used a pen for this drawing mostly for the beginning, and now I'm also just using this to touch up my drawing more and just to make sure that the tree branch looks in top quality and all evened out. I really enjoy showing you guys this art tutorial, and you can expect to see more art tutorials and stuff for creativity on my channel. Then I'm just making sure that the pen shows well, and like you can still see it with the marker, so I'm also just being gentle with the pressure for it, and so it all looks in good texture for the drawing. And then I am just going to show you what it looks like now so far. And with the deer looking up at the icicles on the tree branch, I am just filling out the rest of this, coloring this in with my alcohol-based Atopstar marker. And yeah, so really just making sure it looks all evened out, and that should do the trick to make it look even better and as I would like it to look. And then I'm also just using white color to fill in the deer and for the front of the face of the deer, and also going in with the black shade over the nose and the eyes, and just really just making sure it stands out in those areas. And then I'm also using my acrylic marker, the white one, for some of the white highlights of for on the deer, and that should look good. And then I'm just also going for a really nice overall appeal for the deer. And yeah, so I try to be careful with the angles I use my marker for the drawing, and I have a particular own type of unique drawing method I've kind of come up with myself, so I'm not really like following a specific method, but I'm more so just kind of like drawing off the top of my head in my own unique ideas and style. So that's the idea of my own business, Juliray Artistry, and I'm on Etsy too, so I also have a business on there, and I'm still adding more things on there, and you'll see more on there as well. So yeah, and then I also am like a local seller, and then I sell internationally, so I'm from Vancouver, and I've also just like really had a big passion for art. And anyways, so now I'm showing you the other colors there are. So there's all the colors here I'm showing you, and I'm just filling in the rest of the deer with the brown shading for the deer, and different shades just to like really add in more realism and just like really make it look really realistic, because I'm really into like realistic art, like realistic drawings, trying to make the drawing pop out as much as possible to make it look very real. So that's the type of art style I'm like really into, like realistic animals, or like just like realistic art in general. So that's the idea of the type of art I'm really passionate about. And yeah, so I'm also just like using different colors, and that's how I also kind of like blend in my drawing with the different colors, and to make it look more realistic. So I'm also just going over with another color, and just to add more detail and like contrast, and that's really the overall type of view I'm going for. And I'm trying to make this drawing look really cute, and like it's friendly to a lot of different people, like, and also like maybe it could be like a book cover or something, or like if anyone is interested in like certain pieces of my art, like you can let me know. And I really go for making sure it looks like to the best quality as possible, because being an original artist, I'm not using anyone else's ideas. I'm only using my own. And this is what I really like doing. Like I don't do any other ideas if I don't think like they're the type of ideas I want to do. So like I kind of come up with my own art ideas, but like I'm open to different art suggestions or whatever. Yeah, that's kind of like just like currently where I'm at right now. And yeah, so and I also find that like as an artist, you kind of just get a better understanding of like where you want to be or what you want to do. And as a business owner of Juliray Artistry, for myself, I love doing traditional art. I love drawing. I love using pen for art. I love just like doing art with markers, or maybe even like acrylic painting, or using pastels, and also digital art. I specialize in that too for myself personally. I love doing that. I'm a self-taught artist, so it's all my original art, and taught by myself. I also learn from videos, or doing research and learning from other artists. So, but also just like using my own art style, because I learn my own art techniques, because I come up with my own art techniques along the way too. And yeah, just kind of like improvising and seeing what works best for me. That's what I seem to find kind of gets you on the track of like where you want to go to for what you're pursuing. So that's what I find is helpful for me. So here is the overall look of my art so far, and it's going pretty good, I gotta say. I'm happy with the results so far. And yeah, I'm also like interested in print on demand. Like since I'm on Etsy, I have some stuff on there. I'm gonna be putting some more things on there too. So if you follow my shop, you'll see more updates on there too. And yeah, so yeah, I might be on like another platform too for my business. All right, so here's the end results. I'm really happy with the overall look and the snowflakes for the details, and all the details I've done for this drawing of the deer, icicles, snowflakes, and a tree branch. Thanks for watching.